Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to take a picture on timer with your iPhone. This applies to all the iPhones as long as they're running iOS 14 or above. Taking a picture on timer allows you to set yourself a time to pose or get ready for the photo. This is usually used when taking a self-portrait of yourself or taking a family photo. So let me show you how to do it. On your iPhone, open the camera app. Now here, tap on the top arrow at the top of the screen or swipe up. Once you do that, you'll see some extra controls appear just above the shutter button. Tap on the timer icon, which looks like a speedometer. By default, timer is turned off. Next to that, you have the option to select 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Tap on any of the options and then tap on the shutter button. Once the shutter is pressed, the camera will then start a countdown depending on what choices you have chosen. Once the time is up, it'll then take a single photo. Do note, you can do this with the front-facing camera and the rear camera. And that is how to take a photo on timer using your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.